So when I say healthy diet naman, no, ang hirap din kasi ano ba yung healthy? In general, yung mas natural, mas healthy. Pero mas importante is yung portion control. So para sa ating mga kabataan, di ba, tinuturo sa school yung pinggang Pinoy. So yung usual plate, anyway, 3 times a day tayo kumakain, yung bilog na plato. So 9 inches yon usually. Ihati nyo to 4 quadrants. So ideally, half should be green leafy vegetable. Okay? And then 1/4 yung carbohydrate, tawag natin na go food. So carbohydrate that includes rice or bread, pansit, palabok, and then the other 1/4 is the grow food or the proteins. So pork, beef, chicken, fish, egg. So ideally, per meal, dapat nakabalance. So that's per meal. And then as much as possible, kung pwede sana, water na lang. Or kung meron mang coffee or tea, pwede naman. But if possible, sana wala na lang asukal. Pwede namang 1 glass of milk a day since milk is healthy. So try to minimize din yung mga condiments, no? Yung mga asin, toyo, patis kasi mataas naman sa salt. So prone naman mag-high blood. And then yung mga desserts, pwede naman, hindi naman sila bawal. But again, limited lang dapat. Kasi desserts would also contain sugar. So kailangan, they have to consider na kung kumain na sila ng carbohydrate, mas less na dapat yung sweets or babawasan nila yung carbohydrates para may space for the dessert. Then physical activity, any form of activity will do. So the recommended right now is at least 30 minutes and at least every other day. So yung 30 minutes na yon, pwede namang hati-hatiin. 10 minutes sa umaga, 10 minutes sa tanghali, 10 minutes sa gabi. The usual is at least brisk walking. Okay? Kung hindi man kaya ang brisk walking, kahit for example, instead of kung naka-car, bumaba ka sa kanto, lakarin mo na lang hanggang office. Or kung nasa second floor ka, wag na mag-elevator. You just take the stairs. So those are simple ways to increase physical activity. Maglinis ka ng bahay, magwalis.